All right, gang. We're over here at Target, and it almost looked like the same since the last time I was here. I am gonna go through it because just in case. But literally, bro, they have not restocked. I mean, like, is it a drought going on? Maybe. Let me see. Any Pantone? Of course not. Look, I'm trying to get all hyped up over the Pantone. Look, I paid $2 for my Pantones and they were better than those. Y'all better make sure y'all make it to the meetups. Anyway, Matchbox, I got that one. The peg warmers on the Matchboxes are starting to disappear. I'll check out this one. That one looks pretty dope. Looks like a funny car with a long neck. It looks pretty dope though. No one wanted the M&M. Only majorette right here. Oh, wait a minute. That's from back in the days. Nice separation there. There ain't nothing here. Let me double check. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave these behind. Not feeling it. I'm not just gonna buy it because I'm here. This is another dry run, and this is old school stock right there. Yeah, and that's it. That's all we're gonna run away with. Ain't nothing else here, man. I went through the pegs, and there is nothing. That's it. Another one. It's crazy when you film and you got people staring at you. Oh shit, wait a minute. Shit, shoot. I might have to get this one. I don't know, man. Let's go.